The company that we chose to work with for this term was Emperia. Emperia creates completely immersive digital experiences through the use of virtual reality for premium brands in the innovative and creative industries. Their mission is to provide a new way of reaching potential consumers and creating an immersive market space in an effort to grow in a unique and effective fashion. Their goal is to seize the opportunity presented by a shift in demand towards higher experiential services and luxury creative industries. The organization's focus generated from wide availability of e-commerce with low differentiation points. Emperia's products and services create a unique value proposition. However, due to current fixable restraints, they are unable to convert at a desired rate. As a group, Interstate Solutions completed a company-wide audit that helped to understand each and every one of Emperia's problems, from the way that they interact with their consumers to how they operate online. And with Emperia, it became very simple that the main issue was brand recognition and communication with the consumer. Emperia really struggles to present an image that is consistent with the quality of the products and services that they're providing. This was exemplified in a poorly designed and poorly running website, through poor SEO results, and through incorrect use of JavaScript and external files that caused the website to go very slowly. These were our main concerns when we started to work with Emperia, and we focused on them mainly due to the fact that the website is the main form of communication for Emperia. The purpose of this audit was for Interstate Solutions to identify some issues and some problems within Emperia and how they operate on a day-to-day basis. Now, in our circumstance, it was fairly easy because we were able to identify our issues right off the bat. We discussed with Olga how she interacts with consumers and what issues she was having, and we came to the conclusion that the website was the main issue for them. Now, this was reflected in poor loading times, poor SEO results, which basically means they didn't show up well in Google, and mostly just poor management of JavaScripts and external files that showed how they can greatly affect the efficiency of the website. And we're going to be going over proposed solutions and justifications. Now, there are a couple different things. First, we'd like to clear up the customer journey a bit, and second, we'd like to clear up the website and the SEO a little bit. So we'll start with the technical side of things. With respect to the website, we'd like to change the loading times of things. So the loading time of the website can be greatly improved by setting an expiry date or a maximum age in the HTTP headers for static resources to introduce the router to load previously downloaded resources from local disk rather than over the network. This would help to decrease the amount of time waiting for the consumer. Now, secondly, what we'd like to suggest is optimization of JavaScript and CSS files, which play a huge role in the rendering of a page. So this would help to enable a clear data loading path on the website and would help to reduce the time required for the website to load. Now, additional website optimization can be encouraged by creating a more compact JavaScript. A lot of the issues that we found were with several different JavaScript extensions being used, which slowed the website down considerably. So finding a more compact version, being able to write that code a little bit more clear would help to speed things up. Additionally, once the consumer was on the website, we found in some of the feedback we heard from consumers that it was confusing and unclear. So we wanted to spend time on making suggestions that would help to make the consumer journey a lot easier from start to finish so that Emperia and Olga could convert potential customers to consumers. Finally, what we wanted to change was a little bit about the wording and how they use their website. Are worded a little bit funny that hit the eye a little bit weird and hit your brain a little bit weird, so you are a little bit thrown off. So we made drafts of each of the different sections for Emperia so they could replace them if they'd like, so that they could be a little bit more clear, a little bit more concise. Finally, I'd like to explain why we made the suggestions that we did. We did a tremendous amount of research. We checked out social media, we checked out LinkedIn, we checked out their website. We experienced everything for the first time just like any consumer would. And that's why we made such a technical report regarding the website. Because we understand that a company like Emperia, who focuses on technological advancement, AR, VR, and things of that nature, has to make a tremendous first impression, and that first impression for a company like Emperia is their website. So while it may seem like we were hyper-focused on one thing, it was because it is so vastly important that Emperia makes that tremendous first impression so they can convert potential clientele to new customers. Thank you.